Hi again, Jennifer Marshall, your criminal defense and family law attorney here with an office in Piscataway, New Jersey. I want to talk to you today about a topic that most attorneys won't talk about. In my practice, I have a lot of people say to me that I just don't understand what it is they're going through in their cases and how could I ever understand? And I don't know if it's just the way our society is done or what the appearances of attorneys, but people think that attorneys couldn't possibly have ever gone through any of the cases or any of the life experiences that brought them to the attorney's office. I can tell you that's not the case. And I want to share with you three things or three times in my life when I knew exactly what it was like to be like the clients that I serve. I am a child of parents who were divorced. I was in high school at the time they were divorced. I watched a very bitter divorce battle happen. So I know what divorce looks like for children. I also had to testify against one of my parents later in that divorce action when I was out of college. So I also know what it's like to sit on the stand and swear to tell the truth and deal with a judge and attorneys. On a sadder note, I had some family members in the past who have been charged with criminal crimes. A lot of them were wrongfully charged, and I watched what that did to family members and how it tore their lives apart and their kids' lives apart. And finally, on a sadder note, I've also known people who tragically had their lives taken. Some of my friends were murdered by the hands of somebody else. So I know what it's like to be a friend or a loved one that sits in a courtroom and has to watch attorneys present cases to see that justice is done. And I also see what it does to defendants and their families when you have to see them sit in the courtroom and be sad. So when clients say to me that I could never understand what I'm representing them on, it hurts a little bit because I do understand, and what motivates me to help you and to see you through the process is the fact that I do understand. So if you're looking for an attorney that understands your situation, is empathetic, and will be there for you, give me a call today. Jennifer Marshall, remember, when the legal system has you on the ropes, I'll be your 1-2 punch. Thank you.